Exciting semi-finals. All four Jamaican female 100-meter sprinters are through to the semis at World Champs. The Jamaican women have all passed through the heats in the women's 100-meter dash and are now poised to face whoever comes next as they gear up for the semi-finals on the way to a possible clean sweep of the event. The three top athletes all looked quite comfortable as they stamped their dominance in their individual heats, with Sharika Jackson taking Heat 1 in 11.02 seconds over Zoe Hobbs of New Zealand and Antonique Strawn of the Bahamas, who both ran 11.08 to place second and third respectively, with Hobbs achieving an area record with that time. Heat 2 saw the fastest woman so far this year, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, blazing to her win in 10.87 seconds, dragging Daryl Neita of Great Britain to a new season's best of 10.95, while Gina Lucken-Kemper of Germany finished third in 11.09 seconds. In Heat 3, Jamaica's Elaine Thompson-Herah cruised to victory in 11.15 seconds, with Grace Nwokocha of Nigeria running 11.16 and Zainab Dussel running 11.26 seconds. And in Heat 4, we saw Jamaica's final athlete in this event, Kemba Nelson, take the third place spot with a clocking of 11.10 seconds. Second place went to Twanisha Terry of the USA in 10.95, while the winner of this heat was the Ivory Coast athlete Marie-Jose Talou, who finished in a season best time of 10.92 seconds. There were 3 more heats of this event on day 2, and the fun continues tomorrow, day 3, with the semi-finals and the exciting final of this event to take place.